More major commercial HVAC work completed by Florida Clean Air Plus. This project involved complete coordination for 4 commercial rooftop package units, 20-ton train systems, requiring detailed planning, crane operations, roof replacement coordination, new curb work, and precise execution from start to finish. Large-scale commercial HVAC projects require much more than simply installing equipment. They require perfect coordination between teams, safety, logistics, and experience to ensure every phase runs smoothly and efficiently. From rooftop unit removal, crane lifts, rooftop coordination, installation, electrical connections, system setup, and final commissioning. Every detail matters when handling large commercial projects. Florida Clean Air Plus, commercial HVAC done right.